Is it safe to run wheel spacers on the new Porsche Cayenne?
When pushing the wheels out, you get more inside rim space. As this space increases, you lower the risk of tire rubbing the suspension or brakes. Usually, a performance brake kit comes with larger brake calipers, which requires more inside wheel space to fit. Wheel spacers are effective to keep the caliper from rubbing the wheel spokes. This ensures safe driving. Even if it is only a few millimeters, you'll notice the difference right away. 15mm wheel spacers create more space between tires to accommodate bigger wheels and tires. Running 15mm wheel spacers for Porsche is exactly safe and beneficial. BONOSS products have passed over 66 SUV SGS authority test reports, and 10 years warranty service provides you with better shopping experience. Therefore, using genuine quality wheel spacers for Porsche is extremely important to ensure safety. And wheel design spacers will make your car perform as well as possible in every situation.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.